Welcome to PyProjectMate. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss the difference between a slash and a double slash in Python. So let's see the difference. Slash stands for division operator in Python, whereas the double slash stands for floor division operator. Single slash performs classic division, whereas double slash performs classic division and then discards the fractional part. Single slash always return a floating point number, whereas double slash always return an integer number. If we see the example, when 8 is divided by 5 using a single slash, 1.6 is the output, whereas when 8 is divided by 5 using a double slash or floor division operator, the answer is 1. If we take another example, when 20 is divided by 4 using a single slash operator, the output comes to be 5.0, not 5, because a single slash or a division operator always return a floating point number, whereas when 20 is divided by 4 using a double slash operator or a floor division operator, then the answer comes out to be 5. Now let's see further example through an IDE. Now in the Python shell, if I type 20 divided by 4 using a single slash, then the answer is 5.0. Whereas if I write 20 divided by floor division operator by 4, then I get 5 as the output. So here in the shell, if I divide 20 by 4 using a single slash operator, I get 5.0 as an output. Whereas when I divide them using double slash operator, I get 5 as output. Now next, when I try to divide 13 by 5 using a single slash operator, I get 2.6 as an output. Whereas when I divide 13 by 5 using a double slash operator, I get 2 as the output. So now try it yourself and feel free to ask any doubt in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, then do like and subscribe. Also don't forget to press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you.